Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever seen error code 102 pop up in your Sims 4 game? It can be frustrating, but it usually means there's a hiccup trying to load your save file. Often, it points to some corrupted game data or even a conflict with custom content you've added. The good news is, it's a very common issue, and there are several simple steps you can take to get your game running smoothly again. Let's begin with the simplest solutions. First, try fully closing your Sims 4 game, then reopen it. If that doesn't work, give your entire computer a quick restart. It often clears up temporary system glitches. After that, launch the EA app or Origin, find Sims 4 and use the Repair or Verify option. This checks for any corrupted game files and replaces them, which can often resolve the error. If you use mods or custom content, this is a prime suspect. Outdated or broken CC can often trigger error code 102. Your first step should be to move your entire mods folder to your desktop. If the game then loads without the error, you've found your culprit. Now, you can use the 50-50 method by adding half your mods back at a time, until you pinpoint the exact file causing the issue. Sometimes the error is directly tied to a specific save file. From the Sims 4 main menu, instead of loading your latest game, try selecting a slightly older save. If that works, it indicates your most recent save might be corrupted. You can also go into your game's saves folder and rename the problematic save. Always remember to back up your Sims 4 save files to an external location. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of heartache in the future. If you're still facing error code 102, consider clearing your game's cache files. These temporary files can sometimes become corrupted and cause problems. As a last resort, a clean reinstallation of the game might be needed, but that's rarely the case. To prevent future issues, always keep your Sims 4 game updated, and make sure any mods or custom content you use are also current. Following these steps should get you back to playing Sims 4 problem-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.